What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Monday the 9th. If we go on Forex Factory, we don't have news until 9, no, not 9, 4:35. Today, here, let me delete everything. Today, clean day, honestly. The setup, very clean. Just, I didn't get filled. Well, at 9:52, price didn't enter the fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap, so I didn't get filled. So I was still waiting, and then when it finally entered, the whole move already happened. So yeah, pretty unfortunate, but I controlled myself, only risk what I was supposed to risk, which was $400, and I was out. So that was the trade right there. As we can see, I got filled. So 52, 53, 4, 5, 6. At 9:56, I was in. Now, if only I placed my stop loss a little bit, or my limit order a little bit below, I could have actually won the day, got filled and won. But technically speaking, this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap didn't get filled. So it's still a valid loss, right? Stop loss at this high. Here's the P&L card. So mine is 8.2K across 20 accounts. That's around 400, right? So let's go back here. Yeah, perfect. So let's start the recap. So what can I say on the higher time frame? Market open, bang, immediately we come, we sweep London high plus what? Plus Asia high. And this new week opening gap, although we don't fill it completely, we go into it, right? Then what can I see? Strong reversal to the downside. Not only that, we inversed this whole move, this whole leg, right? Perfect. And we created another bearish fair value gap. So everything aligned with my context is telling me go short. Strong reversal of 2 sessions plus a little bit weak opening gap plus inversing this gap, right? Everything makes sense. Perfect. So I'm still waiting for price to either retrace into here so I can take the short or give me another setup. Here is where we have the other setup. Simple as that. Right there at 9:52, price should have just entered and filled me, but price didn't fill. Waiting, 9:56, got stopped out. Stop loss was right there. Regardless where it was, I would have gotten stopped out. And yeah, I mean, pretty simple trade recap. Is there anything I could have done better? Not really. Even waiting for this one right there. Although this is still a good trade, here was my setup, and that was the optimal trade in my eyes. Although, for example, if I was trading inverse, this is actually a strong area right there because we have the inverse plus this bearish fair value gap. But anyway, today, shorts, very strong shorts. Just I wasn't at the right place. Well, I was at the right time, I would say. But yeah. So as of right now, um, as of right now, because we have 2K drawdown, right? I still have 1K drawdown, so that's about 3 more trades, depending, risking between 350 and 400. So yeah, we'll see. One good trade will bring all the accounts back to their original point, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys Tuesday.